Hello. Welcome to this comprehensive honest review of instant traffic app software, the pros and cons. If you've been looking for an honest review of instant traffic app, then you've just found the perfect video. Is instant traffic app a scam? What's the working process of instant traffic app? Have no qualms as I'll explain everything you need to know about instant traffic app in this video. Just make sure you watch this video to the end as I have a special gift for you if you stay through to the end of this video. In this video I'll guide you to make the right decision as I'll cover everything you need to know about instant traffic app software. I'll cover the features of instant traffic app, benefits, the complete working process, live demo video, pros and cons, who should get instant traffic app, the pricing, bonuses and lots more. If you have any questions about instant traffic app which wasn't covered in this video, feel free to drop your questions in the comments and I'll be more than willing to answer your questions to the best of my ability. Just make sure you watch this video to the end so you understand if instant traffic app is really worth your while and meet up their claims, as I'll be exposing a lot of things no YouTube video will tell you. If you decide to get instant traffic app, ensure you use the first link in the description to get it at a 95% discounted rate, and I'll give you access to 17 Warrior Plus best-selling information product as a bonus, which is worth over $7,000. Plus access to a solo ads training and traffic course for getting instant buyers to your products and services. What is instant traffic app and what's the working process? Instant traffic app is a totally automated system which you can use from one dashboard, which includes everything required to generate sales by selling other people's products. It includes multiple commission sources, meaning that you can make money using email, Facebook, YouTube and multiple other sources, all from the powerful instant traffic app dashboard. Instant traffic is included so you can build your list while making commissions right away. No previous list, no tech skills or previous experience needed, complete step-by training inside. The automated software of instant traffic does everything for you. You just fill in your affiliate links and off you go, which I'll showing you how it works in the live demo. Here's what's to love about instant traffic app. Multiple automated traffic sources with one click. Multiple streams of autopilot income. Complete integration with ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo plus more. 100% done for you commission dashboard. No experience required. No tech skills needed. No monthly fees and work for yourself in 2021. Works from anywhere in the world. 60-day money-back guarantee. So, who's the instant traffic app software for? If you're an affiliate marketer, a freelancer/service provider, blogger, social media marketer, content marketer, new/struggling online marketer, or someone who wants to make online profits without being a tech guru or content genius, instant traffic app software is the perfect software for you. Instant traffic app comes with a 60 days money-back guarantee with no restrictions at any cost. Even after that, if you feel you're not satisfied, you have the right to use the money-back policy that entitles you to claim for a full refund of your money even in the last second of the 60th day. You've nothing to lose. This speaks volume of the confidence the creator of instant traffic app have in the program. To get instant traffic app from the official website, make sure you click on the first link in the description to get instant traffic app at a 95% discounted, and I'll give you access to 17 Warrior Plus best-selling information product as a bonus worth $7,000. Plus access to a solo ads training and traffic course for getting instant buyers to your products and services. Now let's dive into the live demo inside instant traffic app software so you can see what is inside and the features in a step-by-step fashion.
So now I have access to the list building app. How do I use it? First of all, you will need to have a GetResponse account to integrate with the system. It does not work with any other autoresponder company, only GetResponse. It's just the way we had to build it. So what you want to do is you go up here to where it says GetResponse Integration, and you click on that link, and it's going to pull up a video on how to install the application, how to integrate it. So you want to integrate in a GetResponse appy. Very simple to do. Watch the video. Register here for GetResponse account. And the good news is they have a 30-day free trial. So you can try it, and if it doesn't work, you can cancel your account. Okay, the second thing is your affiliate sites. Okay, you have a ClickBank ID. You just integrate that ID into the account right here. So in this case, I would put something like this, which is my ClickBank ID. So there you go. And the next thing is the affiliate sites would be any affiliate offers you want to make available as a thank you page. So it could be like a WordPlus offer, a JVZoo offer, another ClickBank offer, or BizOp. So when you build your landing pages, you can select which one of these things you want to send your new list members to after they register. Okay, now let's get into the meat and potatoes of the whole system. Email marketing, it comes down to building landing pages. The landing pages are email opt-in forms here. You can get a preview by just clicking on the preview link, so you can see which one you want. And then you can build them. When you build them, they become part of your managed pages. So I'll pull this up, and I don't have anything to share with you, but if I did, the links would be here. So here you can see the link to your landing page. Just click on it and it will pop up. Now it might take a little while for it to propagate and build, so give it a half an hour. And this link right here is where you're going to drive traffic to in order to get leads. So you'll go buy solo ads from the traffic funnel, our solo ad provider, and there are a bunch of different sellers you can choose from. You can pick the best price, the best niche, whatever you want to use as your criteria, and buy 100 clicks, 200 clicks, 1,000 clicks, whatever you want to do. I would start off with like 100 clicks and buy it from multiple different people so you can see who provides you the best traffic. That's the beauty of the traffic funnel. So that's what your landing page looks like, and you'll be able to keep track of pages, subscriptions. It's got a 45-day autoresponder series, and that's the name of the campaign in your GetResponse account. It's very simple, easy to use. We also have the same thing for pay-per-click. For pay-per-click is different because you can't use the same style of landing pages. They got to be a little bit more subtle. We're not saying make money in the business opportunity. We're saying, something like learn this skill. So it's a little bit different. So it's not going to get declined by the pay-per-click advertising company. And it's the same thing. You set your pay-per-click, which I have not done. I guess I could show you how to install one here really quick. I'm going to go PPC demo. Okay. And I'm just going to integrate in my ClickBank account. I'm going to choose my ClickBank and my standard GetResponse system and click install. Every one of these steps has a video to show you how to use the system. So it's kind of self-training in a way. Now this may take a few minutes for it to build onto the system. So it may take a few minutes for that process to happen, but it will. And when it does, it comes right back to this page. And then you want to go into the manage Facebook, YouTube pages, or if you did email marketing, when you want to go there. When you click there, you can see the link to your page. And it sometimes takes a little while for the secure domain to propagate. So if you click on this link and it doesn't show up, that's why. This one's done and everything's fine. So here you have a perfectly quality page that you could drive pay-per-click or email traffic to, whatever you want to use. Okay, so that's beautiful because you didn't have to do anything. And you can also do email broadcasts within the system. So once you start building a list, you can email broadcast. We have hundreds of swipes. So let's say we wanted to promote this particular product. You say continue, or you can put your own link. And then you select from our swipe, and you hit continue, and then you select which particular campaign you want to email it to. In this case, I'm picking this campaign, and you'll see here these links are going to have that affiliate link in it. Once you send broadcast, it goes out. That simple. You don't really need to log in and get response truly ever again. And again, we have a link to our traffic source. at least a little video about it. Our traffic source is the traffic funnel. And remember, on our homepage, we have the link to register for the app and to download their phone apps. So this is really a great tool because it eliminates all the technical stuff, all the copywriting for writing emails. You can promote literally anything with it, and we have the best traffic source there is available to you. Okay, so we're going to show you how to use your traffic funnel phone app. Click on the money bag. It's going to come up. Your splash screen will show. There's several functions, but the primary thing is the ability to log in and check your orders. So you can buy advertising and learn about us. We'll upload photos, contact information, our Facebook page, videos that we'll have available to you, training link, and then you can share the app, which we think is a great thing for you to do. But I'm just going to click on buy advertising. It's going to take you to the traffic funnel. And this is where people will create their account, or if they're already a member, they can log in. Once they log in, they can go to find sellers, and they can search through all the sellers by the specifications we got. Or if they are a seller, they can go to orders and see an order that they just got, and then collect the info so they can, set their traffic up. Very easy program to use, and I just copied that link on my phone. I could take it right to my traffic source and give them that link to promote for me, or promote it yourself.
Welcome back. Now that you've seen the live demo of Instant Traffic app, make sure to get Instant Traffic app from the official website by clicking on the first link in the description to get Instant Traffic app at a 95% discounted, and I'll give you access to 17 Warrior Plus best-selling information product as a bonus worth $7,000. Plus access to a solo ads training and traffic course for getting instant buyers to your products and services. This is what you'll get inside Instant Traffic app. 1. The brand new Instant Traffic app, Instant Traffic software, worth $997. This is a super profitable, beginner-friendly software lets you activate multiple streams of instant traffic and sales from one dashboard with just 10 minutes work each day. 2. Step-by-step tutorials, worth $397. Instant Traffic app includes video training which teaches you exactly how to use the software to clown our campaigns and replicate the huge paydays that we are seeing every single day. 3. Quick Start Guide, worth $197. If you don't like going through videos, don't worry, because Instant Traffic app dashboard have you covered with a quick start guide that shows you how to fire up the Instant Traffic app in just a few minutes. 4. Ready-made ads, worth $497. Instant Traffic app have made everything ready for you to clone right away so you can get started in just the click of a button. 5. Customer-only webinars, worth $297. Instant Traffic app holds weekly webinars only for customers to ensure every single one of you is achieving the absolute maximum from Instant Traffic app, and each webinar will be recorded. You'll also be getting the following bonuses if you get Instant Traffic app today. Bonus 1. Free Instant Traffic software, value $1,997. Instant Traffic app will be giving you free access to a premium free traffic software which will help you get masses of traffic instantly. In addition, you'll get access to the unlimited traffic system that the creators of the software make use of every single day to generate even more traffic. Bonus 2. 100 plus extra ads, value $997. Instant Traffic app gives you 100 plus automated done-for-you ads for free. This will mean you would be succeeding twice as fast. It's a truly incredible deal. Bonus 3, bonus offers, value limitless. Instant Traffic app gives you 100% access to some of the highest converting offers on the web. These can be low ticket offers and high ticket offers. This will help you generate sales from day one. Bonus 4, live webinars, value priceless. Instant Traffic app provides live webinar sessions hosted by the creators of the software to give you next-level super affiliate strategies to maximize your results with the software. So, make sure to use the first link in the description to get it at a 95% discounted rate, and I'll give you access to 17 Warrior Plus best-selling information product as a bonus, which is worth over $7,000. Plus access to a solo ads training and traffic course for getting instant buyers to your products and services. If you have any questions about Instant Traffic app which wasn't covered in this video, feel free to drop your questions in the comments and I'll be more than willing to answer your questions to the best of my ability. I'll see you inside.